Create an awesome flipbook on a budget? It's not as hard as you think. Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to make a PDF flipbook. Let's assume you have a PDF and want to convert it into a flipbook like this. You can do so easily by following this video. When we read a standard PDF, we have to browse through the pages one by one, but with a flipbook, we flip between the pages instead of scrolling through them. You can flip the pages like this to make it appear like a genuine book, and it is also interactive and visually appealing. You can even add videos to the PDF that you create and you can play them on the PDF. It can also be read on any device you like. If you wish to convert it into a flipbook, you may skip to the final step, but first we'll make a PDF. So in order to make a PDF, we will follow 3 steps. To begin creating an account in Canva. If you need Canva Pro, you can click on the description below, because we know for ourselves that you will have more convenience in designing with Canva Pro, but if you want to use the free version of Canva, that's okay too. After you've made your account, go to step 2, make a design for our PDF. To do so, click Create a Design and search for A4 or US letter. Then a blank page will appear like this, and the third stage is that you only need to design the PDF you created. Actually, you can design this from scratch according to the taste you want, but I'll cover how to make a nice PDF using templates first. The way to make it is very easy. You just need to click on the template menu in the left corner of the Canva menu, then just type the keyword you want. For example, I will use the keyword business and there will be lots of templates that you can use. Just choose one template that you think is good and I will use this template, and you can also use various other keywords such as beauty or education or minimalist, and of course, you have to adjust to the niche you choose. Okay, after we choose the template we want, then you can provide the text that you want to add an example on this page. I just give random text for this page, and don't forget to add the elements needed for the design you make. If you aim to sell this PDF template, then you need to edit this template according to your needs, but if the goal is not to sell templates, then you can directly use this template for your students if you are a teacher. I also give an example. If you want to make a PDF for sale, I use a PDF that is sold on Etsy as a template, and let's make a PDF template like this. The method is very easy. You just need to find an example of a template that is sold on Etsy like this, then you create a page just like before. Then I just give an example of one page. The first thing we do is look for elements that are similar to the various elements in this PDF. So there are 4 tube shapes on this page, and you just look for images like this in the Elements menu. Just type a curved shape in the Element menu and choose something similar to the picture above. There is also a frame that contains photos, and you just need to type in the menu section in the form of frames and look for similar frames. If you have found all the elements you need, then the next step is to tidy up each element according to the sample image, then provide text according to the image, and then click the text menu in Canva. You select the subheading and body text and adjust it with the image above, and duplicate the body text for the image of the next element, and the final touch is to insert a frame on this page along with a photo that matches the image. So just type in the element section, then look for a frame that can be used for the photo of the flower that is above it, and then arrange all the parts in it to be neat, and change the color according to the example image earlier. Actually, I've made a video on how to design a PDF from scratch, and you can sell it as a template, and then you can get money from the template. The video is in the top right corner, but make sure you watch this video first because there is a lot of information you can get from this video. Now we will discuss the essence of our video, namely how to make a PDF into an attractive flipbook. Actually there are two ways, namely you can use Issuu or Heyzine, and both are directly integrated with Canva, so you don't have to bother opening it from the website, and both websites have their advantages respectively. But for the initial stage, of course, you need to register on one of these websites, and if you have registered, then you can access the features directly from your Canva account. I will first discuss from the Issuu website first. Your first step, open the Issuu website first, then you have to register on the website. You can use your Google or Facebook account, and I will use Google account. Now provide a username for your account, then click the sign up button, and our account on Issuu will be successfully formed. To turn a PDF into a flipbook, we must connect our Issuu account to Canva. So, simply return to your Canva account where you made the PDF, and select Share, then click More and search for Issuu here. Now decide the amount of pages you want to convert into a flipbook by going here and clicking here. When you're through, click Done and then Save, and your PDF will be transformed into a flipbook. As you can see, it is now completed. To view a flipbook, simply click here and then on the flipbook here, and you will see that we have successfully made our PDF. You may simply read the pages of the flipbook by clicking on this now. To see the flipbook in full screen, click here, and to zoom into the page, click here. Okay, once you're finished, click Publish now, then confirm and publish, and you'll see that we successfully created the PDF flipbook. If you want to share the book with others to read, simply copy the link and then click here. The link is now copied, and you may share it with others. The next way to make a good flipbook is using Heyzine flipbooks. Actually the same way, you just need to log in using your Google account. So if in Heyzine you can't log in using Facebook. Actually you don't need to log in when using Heyzine, but the risk is that your flipbook will disappear within a week, so I suggest just logging in using Google. The best part about this Heyzine is that you can actually embed YouTube videos or other videos directly on your flipbook. The method is also almost the same as the Issuu earlier, namely select the Share button in the right corner, then select More and look for the Heyzine icon, and you just click on the icon. The next step is for you to choose which page you want to turn into a flipbook, and in this example I just chose all pages to make it easy, and you will be taken to this option. I suggest not using Heyzine through the website but through this link. And here is how it seems by default. We've got the ebook here, and I can immediately preview it to see how it would appear to a reader. On the left, you'll find the editing panel, and what I can do is adjust the flipbook settings. Then there's a page effect that I can use as the default, and then there's a magazine effect where you can see if I go over, that's the magazine effect. If I choose book rather, and you'll see it just completely flips like that, so depending on what effect you want, this is where you can change it, but I'm just going to choose magazine. That's a nice effect, in my opinion. Some more settings you may use include show page shadow, shadow effect, and show page depth, which are extra effects you can add to your flipbook to make it stand out a little more. You may activate the double page on mobile devices as well. So, instead of a single page on a mobile device, I'll switch off 10 pages from left to right or hold right to left. Do you want to activate the download button when someone visits your flipbook so that it's right here in the corner, where it has the cloud symbol, and this allows your reader or customer the opportunity to download the flipbook? All right, next up we have password protect. This might be a really useful function, especially if you're selling your flipbook ebook, and you can pass and safeguard it by clicking the password protect option right here. Heyzine provides you with several alternatives, including 1 password for everyone, password protection off, and 1 password per user. Now, look at one password per user first. This will offer you the option of just allowing individuals on the access list access to your Flipbook, so all you need to do is click the plus button, add a username or an email address, and then set a separate password for that person. Now, if you want the same password for everyone, which you will most likely do, set it right here where it says one password for everyone and then where it says text asking for password. Okay, so I'll add that, hit save, and that's all for password protection. Heyzine does offer some more editing choices that you can add, such as a link, a photo, a video, or a website. What you can now do is embed a video straight on your Flipbook. And drag to choose a section of your page, then click Stop Editing when you're finished. I can drag a place where I can put that interactive video, so I'll just choose right here and then it says paste the YouTube video link. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel right now. I'm only going to play this one video here. I'll go back to my Flipbook right here and paste it in. There are some other alternatives like you can submit your movie straight to Heyzine, but I haven't done this, so there are player options such as display player controls. And we have muted video or automatic play when they turn past that exact page, so I'll simply close it for now. Just choose display play options and it's right there, so when people go to this website, they can watch this precise video. So we're not done yet. We need to save this and then click Stop Editing, so click Stop Editing after you've finished inserting your video picture or link. As you can see, I can now play the video straight on the Flipbook. Once you've saved your Flipbook, the next step is to figure out how to share it with others, such as your readers or clients. Simply click on the reader links at the top of this page to get the direct reader link. This is the link you want to give to your customers or readers. You can also embed an iframe, which doesn't make sense to me because you don't want to put your Flipbook directly on your website, and this simply provides you a little window here. As a result, your clients or readers will be unable to view your Flipbook. A QR code picture is another excellent alternative. So now that this QR picture has been created automatically, all your clients need to do is scan it with their mobile device, and they will be transported to your Flipbook. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.